Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I want to show you guys how to approve affiliates who intend to promote your product. So it's very simple on WarriorPlus. So if you log into your account on WarriorPlus, you head over to your affiliate section. You can go to vendor and then click on affiliates, or you go to notifications area where you're going to see affiliate requests. So what you do, you just over click on the affiliate requests, or you come under vendor and then click on affiliates. It's going to bring you right on this same interface. So what you need to do, you're going to see the recent requests. So you just go ahead and then you approve them. So you can see this guy says, I'm interested in to be affiliate and I will promote it. Please allow me join your team. Thanks. So this guy is a super affiliate with high score and everything. And so you just go ahead and click on approve. Here's another new vendor. This is a story. So I'm just go ahead and approve, and then I go ahead and approve. So these guys are now approved to promote my product. So to promote my product, $1 million copy. So that's just simple. If you sell on products, or if you want to sell on WarriorPlus, you might easily get affiliates to promote your products, and this is how you accept them to promote your product. So I hope you do enjoy this. If you have a question for me, you can leave in the comment section, and if you want to reach out to me on Facebook, there's a link under this video to contact me on Facebook. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can use the comment section and ask me questions or anything you need. So thank you very much, and bye bye.